Siwezi tu tembea na barabara. Ukiniambia nikuja nitakuja. I want to say I'm very happy to be here because I've been in this town for many years. The DC Samuel Oreta was staying here, ilikuwa headquarter na mimi nilikuwa DO ya DC. So it's a town that I know, and this diocese I've followed for many years. And Bishop, I must tell you, what you have done here, this cathedral, with the provost and the Christians, I really want to thank you. I want to thank you and your team and the Christians for raising more than 140 million for the work of God. And it's good also to be ambitious. Nidero da cathedral da ugane kiara. Nadera Bishop kedu kiuru kenene kiuru no kiro. Na riu ciana ici turauga tukimenyerere ri cia kura kai guthie ku. Nitoginya tugaka makanitha. I want to say it's a wonderful design. It's a wonderful project. It is befitting Almighty God. Because we live in big houses, we live in good houses, but we must also build a good house for the Lord. So I have come as an emissary today of President William Ruto, my boss, and the President of the Republic of Kenya. Ndio amenituma hapa leo. Mimi nitapanga siku yangu kuja kivyangu. But even as I have come, I also conform to the theme today of walking with the bishop, so that we do what we must do. I did not know my wife was coming to preach here today. Unajua kila mtu wako na kazi yake. Sasa nimemuuliza, nimeona amekaa kwa bathroom, nikamuuliza, na unajitayarisha sana, kwani leo unaenda wapi? Because yeye anajitayarisha kwanza, unajua hao wanachukua muda. Mimi ni dakika 10 niko tayari. So amekaa, namwambia mimi nachelewa. Aniambia bana, mimi naenda Kiambu, where you are going. I've been called there to give the word. Athijiria Ngai ni maiga athiri muno tondu ro yunye ndiroi. Menyire kiroko. So I'm also happy Pastor Dorcas no wagi ana nafasi ona ni ya gukindeithia na ni ndakena, and I'm grateful you have taken time to talk about the boy child, and we have a problem in this county. Let us not mambo ya pombe na madawa imejaa hapa Kiambu. That day nimeenda kwa Kawanjiko. I was going for Machakaya hapo Mombasa. Hau mbere ya banana. Mundu murataga kweta gusami ngithie Machakaya. Makawaida ta mundu uri ungi. Ngiukarwaka anake mangeithagia mekirite mbaki kanua. Weri giji Machakaya-ini kuria twari na Kawanjiko, Uspidi ari hau, Deputy County Commissioner ari hau. Na tondu wa muithire tukiwe tukoretwo kuo ri. Ngiuria ni ndu yo. Ngiuria ndithi maranywa bangi mande ha. Na wari na thigari ta igari mwande ciukete kunangira. So it really shocked me. And when I asked round, the story is the same. We are the danger of losing an entire generation, specifically in this county of Kiambu. You are boasting of a big population. To give you what you ino county, tutiri korona. And we must work on it and we must fix it. And I really want to thank Bishop and your team for what you are doing. And I told you I'll support you. But even as the church is supporting us, we as a government must also do our job. I'll talk to Governor Wamatangi tomorrow about the licensing of bars in this county. We must confront that situation, Wamatangi. We must confront it. Much as we want revenue, but at what cost? Even if we collect revenue, we build roads. They are for who? if we lose our children. Even if we collect revenue and build mortuaries, it's for burying these young people. So we'll agree that we are not saying we don't license bars, but we cannot license bars to sell poison. Let there be a few bars here and there for those who want to drink, they can drink. You know, ninda nyuwa ida na honoka mtimi ya kejira digana na joy. Na pumare da tigadi na maundu makwa mathiaga magirite. Riu no na gitikira ndina kyo. You know, let me tell you, we have a problem of alcoholism in this county and drug abuse. Pale Rwaka, foreigners wamejaa pale, wanauza bangi. Hapa Ting'ang'a inaendelea, hapa Duberi iko. Ukizunguka kwa hii county, we have a problem. But I really want to pay special tribute to our county security team, led by the county commissioner and the county police commander. You are doing a good job. Na muendelee. Huyu county commander is not like an ordinary policeman. Mtu anapewa pesa bangi ipite anakatana ni polisi. Si ni maajabu? Yeah. This man, this county commander, and we have agreed as a government, ataendelea kukaa hapa. Uendelee kae. It takes courage and integrity for a county commander to refuse a bribe of 1 million shillings. Bangi ipite. 1 million shillings is very tempting. I don't know how many people here can resist that temptation. So I want to say the police and administration will do their job to make sure we don't allow poison into Kiambu. But the county government as well, you will have to assist us to regulate licenses for the sale of alcohol in this county. At the same time, I want to really thank the church for agreeing to partner with us so that we work together to create rehabilitation centers and to counsel and mentor these young people. So I want to say in that journey, we are very much together.